Welcome to all of you. Spoken English education online. Today's topic is fruit. Day 9th. To build up our vocabulary, to learn the new words each and every day, we are studying about these topics, different topics. And today we are going to talk about the fruits. If you now have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Do not forget to like, comment, and share to your friends. Fruits. You know different names of fruits, different tastes of fruits, different colors of fruit, different sizes of fruits. Just study. Yeah. Fruits. See in the picture, think about it. What are the name of these pictures? Do you know about these pictures? Do you find these pictures in your area or in your market? Think the name of these fruits. One more activity, that is, what is this? One question, many answer. This activity we are taking, and by the way, we are studying about the new words. By showing the pictures of that fruits or birds or animals, whatever may be there, we are knowing the name of that words. That is one question, many answers, or same question, different answers. Once again, I request to you, mute yourself. When I ask, at that time you say the answer. Otherwise, mute yourself. Only raise your hand when I ask to you. Okay? What is this? Konkatwar. Yes. Unmute yourself and say.
This is the banana, sir.
Okay, okay. Banana, or in full sentence, this is a banana. Yeah, okay. What is this? Shaurya. Shaurya.
This is pineapple.
Pineapple. Okay. Dhanasri. Dhanasri. Unmute yourself. What is the spelling of
This
pineapple?
is a pineapple.
What is the spelling?
Pineapple.
Yeah. Pineapple. This is a pineapple. What is this, Mansi? What is this?
This is a custard apple.
What is the spelling of custard apple?
CUSTARDAPPLE.
Yes. Custard apple. This is a custard apple. Okay. What is this? Preeti.
This is a watermelon.
What is the spelling of watermelon?
WATERMELON, watermelon.
Okay. Watermelon. You know. And also you know the Marathi names of these pictures of these fruits. Okay. This is a watermelon. Rohini. What is this? Rohini Devgunde. Yeah. Rohini Kasbe. What happened? Devgunde say.
This is a melon.
Melon. Rohini Devgunde, what is your answer?
This is a melon. Muskmelon.
Melon. See, before this, there was a watermelon and it is a melon. This is the difference between these two fruits. This is a melon. What is this? Chaitanya.
This is a strawberry.
What is the spelling of it, Sonakshi? That's Chaitanya.
Spelling is in
Spelling, Sonakshi. Do you know the spelling of this strawberry?
no, spelling is in actually.
Okay. Samiksha, can you try to say strawberry spelling? No.
STRAWBRRY.
BRRY. Okay.
Nine.
Tanvi. Tanvi. Tanvi, unmute yourself. Tanvi. Okay, let it be. Abhinav.
STROBER. Why?
STROBER. See, what is the spelling of strawberry? STRAWBERRY. Remember the spellings also. Don't say the only names. This is a strawberry. What is this? Atharva. What is this? Atharva, unmute yourself and say.
This is a gawa.
This is a gawa. What is the spelling of gawa, Srishti? Srishti, unmute yourself.
This is a Gava. G-U-A-V-A.
Yes. G-U-A-V-A. This is a Gava. Okay. What is this? Dhanasri Swami.
This is a fig.
What is the spelling of fig?
F-I-G.
Mansi. Mansi. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
If I write instead of F-I-G, I write P-I-G. What happens?
Pig.
What happens? What is the spelling of pig? What is the meaning of pig?
Pig means dukkar.
So remember again, if the spelling mistake is there, meaning will be different. F-I-G, pig. This is a pig. Okay. What is this? Konkatwar. Unmute yourself and say. Can you try to say the name of this fruit? Do you know? Shaurya. Shaurya. What is the name of this? What is the name of this fruit? Yes. Shaurya. No. Okay. Rohini Kasbe. Unmute yourself.
This is a pomegranate.
Yeah. Pomegranate. Okay. What is the spelling of pomegranate, Chaitanya?
Pomegranate.
Exactly right. Pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. ही परिचयाची आहेत सगळी, पण आपल्याला यांची नावं माहित नाहीत. काही जणांना लक्षात ठेवा, ही रोजची फळं आहेत, हे तर आपल्याला माहित असणं अत्यंत आवश्यक आहे. Actually, we see in the market daily life in our area. Then we should know the all names of these fruits. Okay. What is this? Guess the name of this fruit. Srashti Kadam. Unmute yourself and say.
This is a kiwi.
Is it a kiwi? Anybody answer? I think it is a different. Sonakshi, what is this? Sonakshi. Chaitanya. Unmute yourself and say.
This is a kiwi.
What is the spelling of kiwi?
K-I-V-I.
K-I-V-I. Is it right? Atharva. What is the spelling of kiwi? Yes? Don't know. Mansi.
Yes, sir. This is a kiwi.
What is the spelling of kiwi?
K-E-I-V-I.
Kevi. Okay. Rohini Kasbe. What is the spelling of kiwi?
K-E-V-I-A.
Onkatwar, you raise your hand. Say the answer.
I-W-I.
Once again, repeat it. Repeat it.
K-I-W-I.
Yes. Congratulations. You are right answer. K-I-W-I. It's a spelling of kiwi. Remember all these. This is a kiwi. Chaitanya, Sonakshi, Yatharva, Rohini. What is the spelling of kiwi? Remember again and again. Okay. These are the words or fruits which develop or introduce our word power or word vocabulary. This is the one activity. By showing the picture, we should know the name of the fruits. Now, another activity, many questions, many answers, or different questions, different answers. Thing is only one, but the questions are many. Fruit is one, but the questions are different and answers also different. That is another activity we see here. What is this? Dhanasri.
This is a mango.
Yes, this is a mango. Samiksha, read the second question.
Yes, I eat the mango.
Read the second question. I am not asking about the answer first. Remember what I am saying. Follow the instructions, what I am giving. Read the second question. Samiksha. Okay.
Did you eat mango?
Did you eat mango? Yes. What is the answer you are?
Yes, I eat mango.
Okay. Yes, I ate mango. Did you eat? म्हणजे तुम्ही खाल्लात का असा प्रश्न आहे तो. त्याच्यामुळे हो मी खाल्ले असं म्हणायचंय. त्यामुळे आपण सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स मध्ये बोलतो. यस, आय एट मँगो. ओके. इंद्रायणी, अनम्यूट युअरसेल्फ. रीड द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. Indrani, read it.
Is it your national?
National.
Is it our national fruit?
Ha. Is it our national fruit? What is the answer? What is your answer? Do you know the answer of this question? Tanvi.
Yes,
Tanvi,
sir.
what is the answer of this question?
Yes, he is national fruit.
He is not. He is not a man. Neither man
Yes,
nor
it-
lady.
Yes, it is a national fruit.
Yes, it is our national fruit. Okay. Yes, it is our national fruit. Okay. Mansi, read the fourth question.
Yes, sir. What is the taste of mango?
Okay. Samiksha Sirole. What is the answer of this question?
The taste of mango is sweet.
Okay. Fourth question. Preeti. Fifth question. Read Preeti.
What is the color of mango?
Yes. What is the color of mango? Preeti, what happened?
The color of mango is yellow and red.
Yellow and red. Yes. The color of the mango is red and yellow or yellow and red. Okay. This type of different questions we prepare about any fruit. Can you try? Can you try?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can try yourself.
Yes, sir.
Take each and every fruit and prepare 5 questions minimum about it. Okay. What are these? Abhinav.
This is the grapes.
This is. These are. What are these? असा प्रश्न आहे. These are grapes.
What are
These are grapes. Unmute.
what are
Mute all. Second question, Krishna. Krishna, unmute yourselves and say.
Sir, green, black,
Again.
red.
Red. Yes. Red, black, and green. Okay. Third question, Mansi.
Yes, sir. Did you eat grapes?
Yes. Rohini Kasbe, what is your answer about this third question?
Yes, I eat grapes.
Grapes, not a grapes. Okay. Yes, I ate it. Okay. Fourth question, Srishti.
No, there are no big trees of grapes.
No. I'm saying what is the meaning of first my question. Remember this thing. Understand. Read the
Is
fourth question.
Is there a big tree of grapes?
Yes, stop it. Rohini Devgunde. Say the answer of this question. Rohini Devgunde. No. Okay. Samiksha. Samiksha, unmute yourself. Is there a big
Yes.
tree of grapes?
Yes, the grapes.
Okay, let it be. Fine. Mansi, what is the answer of fourth question? Mansi, unmute yourself.
Yes. Not there are not big trees of grapes.
First you saying yes and then you are saying no. What is the exact?
Sir, no,
No.
there are not
Yeah.
big trees of grapes.
Is there a big tree of grapes? No. It grows to creepers. There is a no big tree. It is a creeper. Okay. Fifth question for the Priti Patil. Do you like to eat? Fifth question.
Yes, I like to eat.
Yes. Okay. Yes, I like to eat. Now, fifth, second. What is this? Rohini Kasbe. Shaurya.
This is a coconut.
Shaurya, what is this? Shaurya? No. Okay. Konkatwar, what is this? Unmute yourself. What is this? What is the name of this fruit in English?
This is the coconut, sir.
Yes, this is a coconut, sir, not only coconut. Okay, coconut. What is the spelling of coconut? Shaurya, what is the spelling of coconut? Shaurya. Unmute yourself. No. Okay. Mansi, read the second question.
Did you eat coconut?
What is your answer?
No, I don't eat coconut.
तू आतापर्यंत नारळ खाल्लीच नाही.
Yes, sir. Yes, I eat coconut.
नो कस काय म्हटली मग? थर्ड क्वेश्चन. धनश्री.
Is it used for us?
Is it useful for us? What is your answer?
Yes, it is a useful for me.
Okay. Fourth question, Atharva. Athara, unmute yourself.
Where does the coconut find?
Yes, where does find? Do you know the answer of this question?
Yes, sir.
Then say no. Why you are saying?
The coconut are found in tree.
Hmm. Every fruit find on tree. I want a area. Where does the coconut find? Chaitanya, can you guess the answer of this question? Rohini Kasbe.
Kerala, sir.
Rohini Kasbe, unmute yourself.
Coconut. The coconut find is in a
Yes, I want answer. Whatever you know, tell that. No need to say right or wrong. Don't worry about it. But explain yourself only. Exercise fast. The coconut finds at seasides in Kokar, in our Maharashtra. Okay. Now time for the today's homework. Fruits. Write all names of given fruits in your notebook, as in English as well as in Marathi also. Prepare some questions and answers about above fruits. These fruits are there. Now prepare some questions like that and find the answers also about these fruits. Minimum 5 questions of each fruit. Apple, banana, loquat, mango, cherry, mulberry, pomegranate, coconut, pancreas, grapes, quince, raspberry, apricot, pear, cassava, plum, custard apple, and guava. Again, there are so many fruits are there. Near about 4,000 fruits are there. We don't know about all the names, but we want to know. Try yourself to write more and more. Okay. Thank you. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Do not forget to like and share to your friends, because I give each and every day new video for your friends. Okay. Thank you. Is there any doubt for today's session?
No, sir.
no, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
If anyone have a doubt, then raise your hand, otherwise lower your hand.
No, sir. I had no doubt in the class.
Okay.